and it's going to accept the form as the root element. And that's about what I can do at this point. That didn't really pass the functional test. Okay, so the next behavior I want to look at is the throttling behavior that we described in the functional test. I want to create a separate interface for throttling requests to the server. So I'll call that throttler test.js. New test case. Okay. Can someone tell me what's this throttler thing? I want this to wrap the actual server request so that I can call it as many times as I want, but I only want it to forward the request to the server when there's been a threshold of time since the last call. Like in the functional test, this was 100 milliseconds. So does anyone have a suggestion for a good first test for this interface? What's the simplest case we can handle here? Anyone? Quiet. Okay, I'm going to suggest that the simplest case is that we should not make a request immediately. So if I call it, it's not going to do anything immediately. Okay, a new one like this. The method can be named, I don't know, Q, since that's basically what it's doing. Now I want to check that there's been no AJAX requests. So I'm going to use sign-in again to test those requests. Sign-in adds another property called this.requests, which is basically just an array of requests received in this test.